when a young engineer faces a new situation, they certainly have the ability to utilize this technology and actually teach themselves relatively quickly what the issues are. So it's a two-edged sword. On the one hand, yes, they're losing that experience of not being able to work underneath a senior person early on, but at the same time, the tool also gives them the ability to have that training, have that experience. I mean, most of what I know about AI was taught to me by AI. So it's one of those where you have the ability to grow and the ability to develop faster than we were able to when I started out in my engineering career. What has changed over the last 5 years is a lot of technology has come on board, which gives us the ability to look at equipment cost effectively that we were never able to look at previously. Things like drones and robotic dogs being able to go through a facility and identify emerging issues, those technologies are really starting to come of age. And that means that we can look at equipment a lot better than we were able to do 5 years ago. So